Hi, come on in. I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, and today's video is about foreign objects. No, it's not about aliens. It's about undergoing surgery and learning later on, at some point, that you've got something left inside of you that probably should not have been there. Now, what is a foreign object? I need to know whether or not the object that was ultimately found and detected is something that was intended to remain inside of you during the first surgery. Or was this something that was carelessly left behind that never should have been left inside of you? Here's a perfect example. Sometimes doctors will use clips, surgical clips, to close off bleeders or other areas of the body, and clearly they will always use sutures. Those types of things are designed to remain inside of you. There are things known as laparotomy pads, lap pads, which are nothing more than small towels that are used to soak up fluids and blood during the course of surgery. And maybe a doctor is suturing using a needle, and a tip of the needle breaks off. Tip of the needle breaks off, they can't find it, and guess what? Now, a few years later, you're having problems, doctor takes an x-ray and says, "Whoa, look at that! I can't believe you have this thing inside of you." Well, a needle tip is not designed to be left inside of you. A lap pad that's used to soak up fluids during the course of surgery is not designed to be left inside of you. Why do you need to know this? Because the time limit within which to bring a lawsuit for foreign object cases is drastically different than in an ordinary medical malpractice case. In New York, you have only 1 year from the date of discovering the foreign object in which to bring a lawsuit, or 1 year from the date that you should have discovered this foreign object. That's so much different. Now, if this was a foreign object that was designed to be left inside of you, then you would have only 2.5 years typically from the date of the original surgery. But there are exceptions that you need to know about. Number one is if you are a child and a minor. Number two is if the case involved a potential claim against a municipality or a state facility. Those have drastically different time limits. And the only way for you to know exactly what that time limit is to pick up the phone and call me. And why do I say that? Because I answer these questions every day. This is what I do for a living. So if you have questions about foreign object cases and you think that maybe a doctor left something inside of you that should not have been there, then I want you to pick up the phone and call me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I can answer your legal questions. And by the way, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do is to press the button below that says like. This way everybody on your Facebook page and everybody who is connected to you on YouTube will be able to find this information useful just like you did. And that's it for today's video. I'm Gerald Oginski. Thanks for watching.